Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 25th of July. And first of all, national news. India's fourth monkeypox case, symptoms, jabs, and global outbreak explained. Law linking Aadhaar voter ID challenge in court, hearing on 25th July. Nagpur boy gets 33 lakh US jobs, loses it when firm finds out he is 15. And 15-year-old Vedant Deokate from Maharashtra's Nagpur has much to be proud of. Their careers stuck. Students back from Ukraine made an appeal to PM. These students have requested Prime Minister Narendra Modi to step in to save their future. New Delhi. Olympic gold medalist Neeraj Chopra on Sunday said winning medal is okay, but being humble and respecting others is more important. The Indian School Certificate ISC 12th Result 2022 has been declared on July 24. The pass percentage touched 99.38% this year. Draupadi Murmu is 10th successive president to take oath on July 25. Haryana Chief Minister announced rupees 20,000 per month scholarship for CBSE toppers. And now some international news. Ukraine worked to resume grain exports after missile strike on Odessa. Lanka president's office will reopen on Monday, days after protesters barge in. China launched second of its 3 space stations modules. To tackle monkeypox outbreak, US called for coordinated global response. And now some sports news. Neeraj Chopra became second Indian to win a World Athletics Championship medal with silver in Oregon. Ready to do anything for the team, Virat Kohli eyes Asia Cup T20 World Cup. Scotland Cricket Board resigned over racism report. And now news related to business. Trust-based taxation system driving improved collections. Finance Minister. Enforces misses profit expectations as cost surge. Raises annual revenue outlook. Indian stocks marked their best week since February 2022 on capital inflows. European Union seeks to replace Russian gas with Nigerian supplies. Topper.com promoter buys 4,000 square foot Mumbai flat for rupees 41 crore. And now let's have a look on weather. On 25th of July, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 33 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 26 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.